If you're meeting with a client, you're not just selling landscape lighting fixtures and how they're going to be installed. You're selling an entire experience, how lighting is going to transform their space, and that really goes back to design. You're designing a space that people can live in and feel comfortable in, and so that's a really important aspect. The other thing is longevity. You want to talk about building out a system that's going to last. It's not going to give them headaches. If you're discussing products with clients, Sterling is such an easy thing to sell to your customers because there's really three classifications on products. Drop-in or retro lamps, they are nice because they're easy to service, but they need a lot of maintenance. Typically every 3 to 5 years, every lamp needs to be replaced. Integrated fixtures make no sense at all. It's a disposable system. If you sell an integrated system to your clients, they can expect every 10 to 12 years to have to reinvest all of that back into the system because as those products start to fail, they're throwaway. So I never recommend an integrated system. I always recommend either a drop-in, which isn't as good, or a serviceable integrated system. It may sound complicated, but when a customer sees the three options, it makes all the sense in the world that we can simply replace components in a beautifully built fixture and not have to replace the entire fixture every 10 to 12 years. So Sterling lighting makes all the sense from a viability standpoint and a longevity standpoint. The second thing is just the performance of the luminaire itself, the light output. It's a better light quality. We're lighting designers. We care so much about light quality, how the light's being controlled, and the beauty of the light. So when I am meeting with my customers, I sell them on the feel of lighting, the transformation, the safety, the security, everything that comes with lighting, and then building out the system so that it's going to last a lifetime. And really, we want a Sterling lighting system to be the last lighting system they ever have to put on their property. Offering landscape lighting is simply a conversation with your clients, and that is why lighting can have such an impact, can make a home feel more welcoming, to create a space that allows people to gather and linger in, to provide safety, to provide security, and also to increase the value of the property itself. So lighting has such an impact on the overall property. At Sterling Lighting, we help turn those conversations into opportunities, and we're here to help and assist in any way possible so that you can become successful in landscape lighting design and installations and offer this tremendous service to your customers.